Good day, everyone. For those who don't know me, my name is Mike Carter, and you may be wondering why at the beginning of the video there's a cockerel going off. The reason for it, I just thought I'd do a video to give you an explanation why there's cockerels going off in the background of any blogging or videos that I do. And it's all to do with the fact that I live in the Philippines, and it began almost 6 years ago when I first started talking to my now wife, who's called Ivy. And the first year I was living in a big city. She was over in the Philippines. And we were just communicating. First photograph that she ever sent me was this one. So it was very obvious she was a country girl. But I fell in love with her straight away. And from falling in love with her, I then flew over, got to know her family, fell in love with the family, and they lived on a farm. And the farm that they lived on, it was a working farm that they lived off. So this is the life that they are used to. Absolutely beautiful. But I kind of liked it rather than being in a city. So Ivy and I moved there. We got to know each other. From getting to know each other, we got married. And after being happily married, we were like building a business together. And what it was to do with was trading, as a day trader. So I taught Ivy the code to trade. And it's not uncommon to see her on a computer and she's doing her own trades on a daily basis. But while we're doing these trades, it's with this noise and distraction going on. So just to give you a little bit of a background where it's all coming from. We are not on Ivy's farm. This is the view from our front window. We are a little bit above sea water as in height goes, so it's a little bit cooler where we are. We get a lot of fresh air, a lot of tropical trees, but there's also a lot of noise going on. We love where we live, and we used to do a lot of traveling, but now that we don't and we want to do the blogging, we realize that the noise that we got used to is no good for the blogging. So this is where the noise is coming from. And in between the tropical trees we have our neighbours' chickens and roosters. Some goats in the background there. So that is where the noise comes from, and we are surrounded by these roosters and chickens, and downstairs they've got puppies, those puppies going off. So we know we need to move, we know we need to move somewhere quieter, but it does not stop us from working. So just to sort of let you know in a little bit more detail the work that we do, I will take you to that next. So this is our work as a day trader and trading the code to trade. We look at charts. So these are the financial charts we look at. We mainly trade gold. We like to trade gold because it's like a correlation with US dollar JPY. So generally if US dollar JPY is heading up, you'd normally find gold's going down, or if it's the opposite way around, where US dollar JPY is going down, you generally find gold's going up. So it makes it a little bit easier to trade. But we do look at other financial instruments, other commodities, including cryptocurrencies. So you've got Bitcoin there. And as well as looking at all of these financial instruments, the chart that we like to use, you can see they are Japanese candlesticks. That's what we like to watch to see how price action is going through the day, whether it's gold, US dollar, JPY, or Bitcoin that we're looking at. Now, I know talking to many people that some people like to trade blue chip stocks. So I have a good friend. He used to be a banker in America. He lives in China now with his wife and 2 children. And I've known him for 7 years, and the last 12 years he's picked the top blue chip stocks. So he doesn't like trading, he just likes to pick them and hold on to them. But I also put together portfolios for clients. So I use a website called ukinvesting.com. This doesn't just cover stocks. You've got many markets there. So you've got markets. I should give you an example here. Forex, commodities, indices, shares. So it covers all kinds, including bonds. But then I put together portfolios on here so I can keep an eye on the charts. So the portfolio that I've got just for myself is just the futures for Great British Pound, Euros, JPY, Dollar, Gold, Silver. And then we've got Michael's his stocks that he likes to hold. And then we've also entered a competition, and the competition that we've entered, that's in relation to choosing 3 stocks and seeing how they do at the end of 2020. So fingers crossed, the stocks that I've supplied, they're going to be doing a good job for us. So just going back to the charts there, it's all about the code to trade and learning to trade. And this is the idea of this video. Luckily it's quiet at the moment, so I think it's a perfect opportunity to bring this video to an end before the noise begins. So if you are watching this video and you would like to actually learn to trade yourself, maybe you have lost money in the past and you would like to not give up and start making profit and get some of the lost money back again, or maybe you have a portfolio and you want to keep a track of it yourself. You might have another broker looking after it, but you want to overview it yourself and understand what's going on. If you would like to learn, message me. I'm on Facebook. Just look Facebook/the code to trade. On there you can tick like, you can follow me, you can share if you feel there's other people that can benefit, and just please message. And by messaging me, it could begin your journey to learn to trade or learn to understand financial instruments yourself. And all the videos that I do, they'll be coming through YouTube. If you feel as though you have benefited from the contents of the video, please thumbs up, give a thumbs up and subscribe, because there's going to be many videos coming, hopefully eventually without the cockroaches and the dogs going off in the background. And I would like to think the contents that I'll be providing is going to be useful to you. So drawing it to the end, thank you very much for watching this video. It's New Year tomorrow, so have a fantastic New Year. All the very, very best for 2020, and let's make 2020 count, and contact me. I look forward to speaking to you then.